Hi everybody, are you ready to sing some songs? Okay, let's sing It's a Great Day. 1, 2, 3. It's a great day for singing a song, for singing a song. It's a great day, come sing along, come sing along. We'll clap our hands, and pat the beat, and pat the beat, and wiggle our hips, and wiggle our hips, and stomp our feet, and stomp our feet. We'll jump up and down, we'll jump up and down, and turn around, and then we'll say, hello, how are you today? Yay! That was awesome, well done. Okay, what about Incy Wincy Spider? You ready? Let's go. Incy Wincy Spider climbing up the spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Good job, everybody. Okay, shall we sing one more song? How about Bumblebee? That's one of our favorites. Okay. Bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me. I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Ew, it's yucky. I'm wiping off the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping off the baby bumblebee. Now my mommy won't be mad at me. Wow, that was awesome. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye now and I'll see you all tomorrow again. Bye.